Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a xenon bulb on an Audi A4 B8. Begin by parking on level ground and turning off the ignition, then open the hood and secure it. Work in a well-lit area and wear gloves to avoid oil on the bulb. Remove the plastic cover, unplug the ballast connector, and release the bulb retaining clip. Keep parts organized and handle the new bulb by the base only. Now we will remove the old xenon bulb step by step with care. First, take off the dust cover and expose the ballast and bulb assembly. Disconnect the ballast connector by pressing the tab and pulling gently, then unfasten the retaining clip. Grip the bulb at the base and pull straight out to avoid stressing the glass. Set the old bulb aside for proper disposal and inspect the socket for corrosion or debris. Next, install the new xenon bulb while keeping everything clean and steady. Remove any protective cap from the bulb base and align the bulb with the socket, then push it straight in until it seats fully and the retaining clip locks. Reconnect the ballast connector and briefly reconnect the battery to test the headlight operation and aim. If the light works, power down, replace the dust cover, and resecure the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.